So today we are going to debone a Basa fish. So it's weekend and we are all set to try out our culinary skills today. And for that we are planning to cook some fish today. So fishes are some great source of protein, and especially Basa fish is rich in protein. The good thing about preparing this fish is that it is easy to remove the bones from this fish. However, you need to know the right way to do it, and that's very simple. I'll show it to you in this video. We'll take kind of 15 minutes to do it in this video. After washing the fish well, we start with removing the fins and gills first. As you can see, the bones are a little thick, and if you try to simply cut the bones, it is tough. So we'll take some support to cut it clean. You can use the support to hit the knife which you are using to cut the fins. That will help you remove the fins easily. Once we are done with the fins, we'll start with cleaning the inside of the fish. So to do that, we'll need to make a straight cut, as you can see in this video, and then we can take out the internals of the fish. Wash it a bit again before proceeding further. And now we remove the head portion of the fish. We start off with making a smooth cut on the top of the head and then following that line. Now to prepare the fillets, we'll start with removing the skin of the fish. To do that, we'll make cuts along the top and the bottom of the fish like this. We'll make clean cuts wherever possible like this, or else we'll kind of make a smooth cut line along the edges. Make sure to have a single line and do not make multiple cuts. else it would be a little difficult to remove the skin. As you can see here, I'm trying to make a single cut. And repeat the same thing on the top edge of the fish as well. Make a single cut line along the top edge. And once you have done that, you can start off with one edge of the fish to peel off the skin, as you can see here. A little effort that you will have to put in if you are doing this for the first time like me, but then it is pretty easy, as you can see. And I'm done with one side of it. As you can see, the skin comes out clean. Now you can repeat the same process on the other side as well. And now it's all clean, as you can see it. Nice. Now we start making the cuts to prepare those clean fillets. Follow exactly the steps as I'm showing it to you in the video. You may find some extra fat along the inside edges, which you can clean like this. And we are done with one side. The same process to be repeated on the other side as well, as you can see in the video. Now you can start cutting it into small pieces as per the sizes that you like. And your fish fillets are all ready to cook. I'm gonna mix this with a little bit of turmeric powder and salt for my preparation. That's all for you guys for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. And before moving out, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting updates coming exclusively for you on AKBHD. See you. Take care.